If you want to add or remove lock screen text on Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus 5G, then first of all we need to go to the settings. In the settings we need to scroll down a little bit and go to wallpaper and personalization, and then over here go to lock screen. Then you can start customizing the current lock screen. You can tap on this area where you have the date and time, and here we have tap to enter signature, so the last option allows you to write anything you wish to have. There we go. You can of course enter multiple lines and so on and so forth. Tap outside in order to stop editing the text, and then you can press done over here in the top right corner, and as you can see we can have a custom lock screen text. And if you want to remove it, just do the same thing, but over here you have this X you can press in order to quickly remove everything from this field. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!